Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something really special for you. We're diving into the world of kitchen essentials with the XYJ Full Tang Boning Knife, a true masterpiece in the realm of butcher knives. Now, let me tell you why this is the best butcher knife you can get your hands on. First of all, this knife is an all-purpose cleaver that can handle your daily kitchen tasks with ease. Whether it's slicing, dicing, or mincing, this knife has got you covered when it comes to cutting vegetables and meats. What sets the XYJ Full Tang Boning Knife apart is its handmade forged technology. These knives are sharpened manually by skilled craftsmen with over 30 years of experience, using natural knife grinders mined from Mount Ma. This craftsmanship results in a longer service life compared to knives made using mechanical methods. Now, let's talk about the Full Tang wooden handle. It's not just comfortable to grip, but it also offers a non-slip effect, ensuring your safety during use. This knife is not only functional but also a thing of beauty, designed for optimal strength and durability. But wait, there's more. The XYJ Full Tang Boning Knife is a multi-purpose chef's knife, suitable for cutting, dicing, and slicing vegetables, fruits, bread, and meat. It's your perfect companion for the kitchen, outdoor barbecues, hunting, or hiking adventures. And here's a fantastic bonus. It comes with a portable leather sheath. This sheath not only protects your knife but also allows you to attach it to your belt for easy carrying when you're outdoors. Just a quick tip. When you receive it, hang the sheath in a ventilated place for a few days to let any leather smell dissipate. Now, let's take a look at what customers have to say about the XYJ Full Tang Boning Knife. As you can see, this knife has received rave reviews. Customers love its ergonomic design, easy grip, and maneuverability. It's truly a versatile tool in the kitchen. Before we wrap up, let's learn a bit more about XYJ, the brand behind this incredible knife. Established in 1986, XYJ is a renowned brand known for its ergonomic and mechanical lever-based knife designs. They focus on providing exceptional cutting experiences, and their knives are not only ideal for the kitchen but also for outdoor activities like camping. Now, let's go over some specifications of the XYJ Full Tang Boning Knife. Available in various sizes and blade thicknesses, this knife features a high carbon steel blade with a straight edge. The Full Tang handle ensures stability and durability, while the V-shaped blade edge provides sharpness and a longer service life. Before we conclude, here are a few essential care tips for your XYJ Full Tang Boning Knife. Avoid heating, freezing, prying, or tapping the knife. Instead, use a honing steel every 2 to 3 months to maintain its edge. Cleaning is easy. Simply use water and a soapy cloth after each use. And there you have it, folks, the XYJ Full Tang Boning Knife, a true game-changer in the world of kitchen cutlery. If you're looking for a versatile, high-quality butcher knife that combines functionality and beauty, look no further. This knife is a must-have for any cooking enthusiast or outdoor adventurer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fantastic product reviews, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!